This is what should be taught to you in university. These are all the physical qualities that you can train. You would think that would be something important that you would be taught in university, right? What can you do to impact the patient or client in front of you? So when we boil this concept down, understanding viscoelastic properties, which is our tendons and our muscles, we can understand that we have two types of movement, fast and slow movement. We have athletic movements and we have muscle-created movements. The initiation of lifting weights is driven by muscle. Muscle contracts and transmits force down through the tendon and then the bone. If I ask you to do an athletic movement, this is on the right-hand side here. It's the exact reverse direction of that. It's created from collision with the ground or an object or external forces. That external force is going to transmit through the bone, then to the tendon, and then the muscle. It's the exact opposite direction of strength training.